Hi there. Welcome to the Viator Travel Agent Program. My name is Stephanie. I work for Viator, a TripAdvisor company, and here is a quick introduction to the platform. So you can now book all the products we have on Viator.com on behalf of your clients and earn 8% commission across the board. So just a quick overview of what we offer: over 100,000 commissionable products in over 2,500 destinations. We really value quality from our suppliers. We take quality control seriously, 24/7 support, low price guarantee, VIP tours, lots to offer. While I have you here, let's take a quick look around. I want to show you how to search for products. So now you're on our site. You'll know by seeing the travel agent logo up here. And I will go ahead and bookmark this page, travelagents.viator.com. If you want to log in, you should log in to book and earn commission on everything. So let's do a quick search here. Paris. So now everything comes up that has to do with Paris. Lots of things to do. The left-hand side here is all categories, so you can search by category. There's VIP and exclusive tours, lots of awesome things to look through here. You can also look at specific attractions. Say you want to go to the Louvre. Now you can see all of the products associated with that attraction. And if you want to see details on something, here's how to do that. And this gives you all of the information. Highlights about the tour, reviews, photos, all of the information that you and your clients will need is on that page. Once you're ready, add it to your cart and check out, and you'll be good to go. So that was just a super quick run through to get you started. Again, my name is Stephanie. Super excited to have you on board and working with us. Follow us on social media. We're at Viator Agents on Facebook and Twitter. Let us know if you have any feedback, questions. We're here to help. Thanks again, and happy booking.